Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And without wasting too much of your time, I just want to share with you the little experience I had last week in the market. I took 2 trades last week, one on Monday and the second on Friday. The one I took on Monday was actually a loss, and the one I took on Friday, actually it's my take profit. It was just 1 pip away to my take profit, and the market started reversing back to the premium zone. So the lesson I learned from the lost trade was I didn't wait for extra confirmation. I just jumped in when I saw the change of character or the confluences I was looking for, but the market only came to sweep liquidity and started pushing higher. So that was why I lost the trade on Monday, and the one I took on Friday, I waited for the extra confirmation on 5 minutes time frame before entering into the trade. So let me quickly share with you how I got this sell setup. So I start my analysis from the daily time frame. All I want to look for is the previous day candle. So this was the previous day candle before I took this trade here. So the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the swing high of the previous day candle and the swing low of the previous day candle. Once I'm done with that, let me delete this. I pick out my Fibonacci, then I draw it from the swing high to the swing low to mark out the 50%, zone 0.5 to 0.618, which is the premium zone. So click on my rectangle, then I draw out the zone I'm really interested in selling this market. So then I delete my Fibonacci. Then once I'm done with this, I just move down to the 4-hour time frame to check the bias, if the bias is sell. And as you can see, the market changed character, then push back, then starts selling back to the downside. It broke structure to the downside as well. So this is a good confirmation. Then after the 4 hours time frame, I don't really have to do much on this 4-hour time frame. Actually, if I was to trade demand and supply, or support and resistance, let's say demand and supply, I might probably wait for the trade to come to this zone. I'm actually wait for the trade to come to this zone, but not really interested in that. So let's move to 1-hour time frame to confirm the bias. So the bias is still right, although the market can do whatever it wants to do, but for me, I think the market is pushing downward. So then I move to the 15-minute time frame. This time frame is very crucial because this is where I find my entry. So when the market was actually here when I started doing the analysis, so I waited for the price to enter this daily 50%. Then I didn't just enter, I didn't just jump into the trade, because that was what I did on Monday and I lost the trade. Although I didn't just jump into the trade because it entered the zone. You don't know what the market is going to do in the next minute, so it can continue keep pushing higher. You can never say. So when the market entered this zone, I had to wait to see if it is going to respect this zone or disrespect the zone. And when the market entered the zone, it respected it. But you can't just know if the market is going to respect your zone or not until you wait for that confirmation. So when the market entered into the zone, I had to wait to see if it is going to respect it. And in trading, all you need to do is you just have to be very patient, because if you're not patient, you might probably lose trades, because the market only reward the patient trader. So I took my time, I waited for the market to enter the zone, then the market started pushing downward outside the zone, the 50% zone I marked from the daily time frame. So when the market started pushing down, I still didn't just enter because I know what this market can do. The market can just come down here, sweep liquidity and start pushing higher. So I waited for extra confirmation. Where I got the extra confirmation was on 5-minute time frame. So on 5-minute time frame, let me show you what I saw. This was the last break of structure to the upside, and this was, and the market created a change of character. Created a change of character, and still, because I could remember the trade I took on Monday, the market created a change of character and still push higher. So now I needed to wait for extra confirmation. So when the market created a change of character, I still didn't jump in. Normally I could have marked this zone over here and placed my my sell limits, but still wanted to see what the market is going to do, and the market tapped into this zone and pushed downward to create a break of structure to the downside. Now with this, all my confluences are complete, and there's no reason for me not to enter into this trade immediately. I didn't enter the market here because if I should enter the market here, that I might be too early. So I had to mark a zone over here, and that was what I did. The last green candle over here with a long wick, so I had to draw my rectangle. Then I placed my sell position, a sell limit. Then the market reversed back to tap me in. Then it started playing out, and to be sincere, I didn't monitor this trade, which I somehow regret, because it was just a peep away to my TP, and the market started reversing back. So, and it was on Friday, and I don't want to hold this trade till Monday. Actually, I was expecting the market to break another structure over here. That was why my TP was around this area. So, but when I checked, it's almost 8 and it didn't hit, started retracing. So I just had to close the market when it was around this area, because it was like 25 minutes away for the market to close. So I don't want to, because on the when the market opens, the market can jump higher or lower. I don't know what the market can do, so, and I don't want to risk that. So that was why I just had to close the trade. So let me show you the accounts. So on Monday I took this trade. This buy position was really a mistake, so immediately I closed it, but it was already running at loss. This trade was a loss, the one I did on Monday. So the one I placed on Friday, it was around, like, I could have made over $100 in this trade, but the trade, it might take profits, and before it started reversing or retracing. So this is a Gbpusd account from Fundedness, and these are the trades I've taken so far this year. So guys, if you found this video very helpful, if you learned something from this video, from this analysis, from this little experience, please don't forget to give it a like, and comment your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to also follow or subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of my trading contents. See you later. Bye.